Right, we've come over to Julie and Andrew's van. It's a Renault Master, similar to ours, but we're just going to have a look at.
Yeah, cool.
Andrew's going to show us around. So.
Yep, I'm in.
Oh wow!
There we go.
It's amazing how people use the space differently.
Yeah.
So we've got
obviously that goes into the double bed.
Yeah.
We have the board here on the side that fits in the middle.
Yeah.
Table drops down. Fridge stocked up.
A big full size fridge as well.
Yes, yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
And is that a three-way or is it?
That's three-way.
Three-way, yeah.
Three-way, yeah.
So.
Full cooker, so you can full roast in there.
Oh gosh, yes.
How did you decide on the layout?
Smart TV.
Oh,
So we're all equipped.
So where's the aerial for that? Is that up on the top?
That's up on the top, yes, yeah.
And do you find that picks up all right?
Yeah, most places. Yeah, we've got a good reception here, so it's spot on.
Yeah.
Our diesel heater. You can see it back there.
The controls there, yes.
Yes, yeah. We'll switch it on there. Yeah. We don't need it on.
Yeah.
And it comes. We vent out the bottom.
Yeah.
You can see that one there.
You got vents, and you've got one at the back of you.
No. I actually changed it.
Right.
Because I had a bit of a fault on that. And that's why I put that in there, because it was travelling too far out to the back and it was tripping it out, so maybe somebody has that same fault.
Right.
That's what I did, so I redirected it and come straight out of the heater.
Yeah.
Rather than travelling all the way down the back.
Right.
Our control panel. That's what we've got. Main lights, which runs right down front to back.
Oh yeah.
And we have solar as well. 300 watts on the top.
300. That's a whacking.
Yeah, so we've got plenty of free electricity.
Yeah.
Side lights. And they're sort of like a nice dim one on a night, then a reading light, and the same on the other side. Touch.
Yeah.
And
did you have the air conditioning in the top?
No. There's no aircon in.
No.
There's no aircon in here.
Because we've got air conditioning in
right.
there. Well, I was going to take it out and have it.
I wouldn't take it out.
No,
it should be,
But it looks a nightmare to take out, to be honest. So that's why it's been left in.
It'll be a vital piece of kit.
But we lose all the storage.
Yes, obviously USB. 2 or 3 points. Phones is in there now.
Yeah.
Charging up.
Yeah.
And obviously we have floor lights as well. So we.
And have you done this?
No, a friend of mine did this.
Yeah.
It was sort of, we haven't tinkered on with it much apart from the bit of fixtures there. Obviously put our little optics in there. That was one of the first.
Important.
That was one of the first things that went in.
The gin.
The gin, yes, yeah. So cool.
You've got lots of space.
Yes, I like, obviously the toilet and the shower takes a lot of space up. That's what I like about it. You can sit back there, watch the telly, and you've got no sort of cupboards and stuff like that. But people do it to their own taste.
And I like the finish that you've got on the walls.
Yeah, well the guy was obviously did transfers and stuff. So I think all this is it's like carbon print. Yeah. And obviously he's done the same with the
fridge.
With the fridge, so it sort of like goes with
all matching.
Yeah. He's done a real good job of it.
It is.
And obviously the storage and stuff underneath. Yeah.
That's great. And you had a bargain, I believe.
Well, yes. I mean, it's the first time. Obviously, you give us hand to put it up. I didn't know how it went together, but I knew I had to have a rail. Obviously, we have a firehammer on the top. But I wanted something that was quite easy. So I got the rails put on. They were 16 quid. And obviously I bought that on spec. The guy said it was all there, and which it was. 50 quid.
50
You know,
quid for
and
the
it gives us
grip.
another room, and you know, we ground sheet.
Yeah.
Yeah. Spot on. So
You've got a bike rack.
yes, I've got a bike rack. Yeah. Obviously with a couple of bikes.
Yeah, because you've got a tow bar, haven't you? On this
Yeah,
one?
just had that fitted.
On the goes just sits
Just,
on the tow
just drops
bar
on the
and-
ball. Yeah. So that's another little piece of handy kit. Yeah.
We'll just nip outside.
Yes,
and
yeah.
have a look at this awning.
So that's the
That's the awning.
I think it's a bargain anyway for 50
quid. It certainly
You
is a
know,
bargain.
gives you another room.
Yeah,
Quite easy to put up once we got the grips with it.
yeah. And you know, you can just leave wet clothes in there. You know,
Yeah,
wet
we've got
coats
the
and-
towels drying up in there, you know.
And I see you've run a little heater, electric heater
Yes,
from
obviously
the mains
we-
hookup.
That's
straight
right.
through,
Yes,
so-
yeah. We've actually
Yeah.
got that outside, so it
Yeah.
actually warms the awning
awning.
up out. Yeah. Yeah.
That's the van.
Yeah, I've quite a few bits and pieces I've put on.
Yeah.
Bull bar, which is, I know it's a lot of people don't like them. Fog lamps, alloys, lights up on the top. Put quite a few of them on.
And you say you've got a big panel on the top. Is
I've
that-
got two panels on the top.
Are they the
150 each. So
the flexible ones or the more
no,
the
the
big
the solid ones.
solid
Yes,
ones?
yeah. Yeah.
Brilliant.
So yeah. I'll just drop the lights on there for either side lights, and people can maybe see where
Oh yeah.
I've been tinkering on with. LED lights. Got some along the top there, on the back, and the sides.
I like the finish. I do.
Yeah, he's, you know, I mean, I can't, you know, I'm not responsible for that. My friend did that.
Mhm.
But, spoiler I've put on. All outside, you know, I think it on with outside. My waste, obviously for my waste water.
Yeah.
My new tow bar. Just waiting for the electrics to go on.
Yes,
Which I believe Kevin's
having
supposed to
done
be
this
doing it.
weekend. Yeah.
Obviously the LEDs on the back. So yeah, it's
That's great.
fully loaded.
And as you say, that
Well,
that awning.
yeah,
gives you
50
so much
quid.
extra
You know,
room.
the out there.
Yeah.
I mean, they're not big money. You know, I think you only two or 300 to buy.
But
You know, for 50 quid.
50 quid. It's worth a punt.
Yes, definitely.
Right.
And that's my County Durham flag, which I'm proud to fly. So yeah, all in all, good vans. You know, if you did the out there, you can do all different stuff with it.
Well, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Thanks for that.
You're welcome.
So another Renault Master.
Another
who,
Renault Master, yeah,
looked,
2006.
and I think over this weekend there's a few Renault Masters to
Yes,
have a
yeah.
look at.
You know,
They're all different.
they're all different. They're quite high mileage, but as long as you know they've been well serviced and stuff, and if people's frightened, you know, because the higher mileage, I wouldn't be bothered. You know,
No.
they're serviced well, and as long as you look after them,
Yeah.
you like everything new van.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin.